Hi guys, AR Malik here. In this video, I will show you how you can change your WhatsApp status from horizontal to vertical form. Let's open up your mobile phone, click on your WhatsApp. When I open my WhatsApp, I click on my status or updates, click here. Here you can see my status are showing in horizontal form. I have to move these from left to right or right to left. There is no proper settings for these status. I checked here. When I click on three dots in top right corner, I click here. I saw that there is no proper settings. When I click on setting, it shows only account setting, nothing more than that. If you are already following some WhatsApp channels, you have to simply unfollow these. Click here, then click on three dots and click on unfollow. You have to simply unfollow all your WhatsApp channels. Now go back and click on other channels. I have followed WhatsApp. Click here. When I click here, then click on three dots and unfollow this. When I unfollow all my WhatsApp channels, then I saw that my status are now showing in this vertical form. Here you can see my status are showing in previous vertical form. With this method, you can simply change your WhatsApp status from horizontal to vertical. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.